Hello and welcome back to our online class for the Xing movements for 𝐲𝐸𝐞𝐸. This time we'll continue with the fourth movement. So for this movement, it's pretty similar to the third movement. The only thing is you have to watch the steps. Watch me. We start here, clench the fist, little bit closer to the body, like so. This simulates pushing down an incoming punch or like a push or something. Come out like this, as we did in the previous 𝐲𝐸𝐞𝐸 movement. From here, watch my steps. 1, and at the same time, clench the fist this way. 1, 2. 1, 2. I show you this way. Clench, punch. Clench, step, punch. Clench, step, punch. So when we do it fast, looks this way. 2 more things. When we come here, 1, 2. My fist down here is not at the dantian point. We're here, slightly above the waist. When we do the turning motion, when we're coming from here, the turning movement looks like this. 1 step with the back leg, slightly swing the other leg around the waist, and as you do so, clench the fist again. So 1, like this, starting from here. 1, clench, punch again, and going backward. That's it for now. See you next time.